guys, it's me, Serena Girl. Just saying, this is another update video vlog on my channel. So, no, Zoro, you're not getting my plushies. Sorry guys. Zoro's got eye on my plushes. Bonnie and Toy Bonnie. Oh, my stupid camera. These two, which I will be taking with me to Sydney, where I'll be staying in a hotel to go and see a live concert, which is what I'm going to be telling you guys about in this video, and also keeping you guys up to date with how Penny's going and with how Wave and Daisy are going. So, on the subject of Wave and Daisy, they're down to one egg because all their other eggs, the yolk inside them dried up, so no babies inside them. And yeah, so their only success is one egg that hasn't dried up, and I'm trying to make sure Daisy keeps going to the egg to keep it warm. At this point, she seems like she's giving up because she's been going out of the nesting box a lot. So I'm going to quickly go check on her right now. Okay, she seems to be back in her nesting box. So, yeah, she's back in there at the moment, which is good. So, yeah, she's looking after the egg. Hopefully we have success with that last egg, otherwise it's going to be a total fail with her first clutch. Probably the second one. Yeah. And as for Penny's update, let's just say she's getting there. She's still not quite 100% yet. She's still not feeling her best at the moment, but she has been eating a lot lately, which is good. So she's getting there. She's pulling through. As for me, now, me and my mum are getting ready to head off to the heart of Sydney, which is like basically the centre of Sydney, I guess. And we will be seeing a live Frozen musical there. And we'll be staying, me and my mum will be staying at a hotel down there for the night, and then we'll be back, I think, tomorrow. So, yeah. And good thing about the hotel is that we're staying at. It's not too far from the place where the show is going to be at, and it's not too far from Macca's, so me and my mum can go to Macca's for dinner, lunch, dinner, breakfast. The reason I said it in that order is because, of course, we've already had breakfast here. We'll probably have lunch when we're down there. And then we'll have dinner while we're down there. And then we'll probably have breakfast while we're down there before we head back home tomorrow. So, yeah. I've also packed my Switch so I can still hopefully play Smash Bros with the guys. I'll just have to connect my Switch to the Wi-Fi at the hotel. That's another thing that we're going to have here. As well as my laptop so I can join a call with the guys since my phone's mic likes to play up and not work in Discord. So yeah, there's that. I also have to connect my laptop to the Wi-Fi there, as well as, well, my phone can provide its own Wi-Fi basically because it still has its credit. So yeah. But anyways, that's all I've got to say for this update, really. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update for my channel on what's happening for me and my pets. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like down below, comment, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!